AMD server PC built with AMD CPU 9354 EPYC, 256 GB RAM ECC memory, RTX 5090 4 GPU, NVMe SSD 4 TB, hard drive 16 TB, and power supply 2700 4 units.